What is going on? In this video, I want to talk about a few things. One is cryptocurrency, okay? Two is artificial intelligence, and three is online business. And then I'll probably speak on some other things as well. But I'm getting a lot of messages, a lot of comments, a lot of questions, okay? And I want to give you real value, not fluff. There's a lot of fluff online. First of all, with crypto, it is very high risk because it is designed and engineered by people, developers. Cryptocurrency is, okay, originally Bitcoin was a peer-to-peer cashless electronic payment system. So peer-to-peer means person to person. You don't need a bank, and it's code, it's software, okay, in a sense. And it operates through blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is like a ledger where there are a chain of blocks and each block contains data, okay, that signs the prior transaction. And a true blockchain, a true decentralized technology is technically immutable, okay, but there are loopholes. I'm not going to go so deep with this, but the point is crypto is like digital money, okay? Blockchain, on the other hand, is in a sense a digital ledger. It's like a spreadsheet that is digital, okay? And when done correctly, it cannot be changed, okay? So blockchain can be used for data, okay? It can be used for manufacturing. It can be used for medical records. It can be used for real estate. It can be used for pretty much anything and everything. It is a very powerful technology. So despite the money side of crypto, blockchain itself is a technological revolution in a sense, okay? And if done right, it can give power back to the people because the issue is centralization. Centralization is basically centralized banks, right? So it's a small group of people that print and control the money, right? And because they have control, they can basically be dictators in a sense where everybody else has to follow their rules. So centralization itself is a problem. This happens with governments. This happens with companies, monopolizations, monopolies. Okay, there's a certain few companies at the top, and this is by design. They are centralized. All your data is owned by these companies. Okay, these banks control your money. And there's a lot that goes to this stuff, but crypto, blockchain, Web3. Web3 is the new internet, okay? It will include augmented reality. It'll include AI. It will include, Web 1 was read only. Web 2 is interactive like social media, read, write, watch videos. Web 3 will be an immersive experience, okay? It's going to be a whole nother realm, okay? We're entering into that phase now. And these go together, blockchain and Web 3 and crypto. That's why I always mention them together. Now, if you know how to identify crypto projects and you have criteria for the fundamentals, such as the tokenomics, so that's, how many tokens there are, what is the vesting schedule, who are the insiders, who are the investors, and then I take it a step further, you really need to know and understand how to analyze the code, okay? And this is where I would say most people fail, okay, including a lot of influencers, investors, everything. The developers, code is law, okay? And when you code or you program a cryptocurrency on the blockchain, you can alter that code sometimes. So for people that don't understand programming and coding, you're basically talking about taking an idea like a crypto project, pitching it to the public, okay, and you're creating software, program, digital code on the blockchain, right? And you're basically making money out of thin air. So it always benefits the insiders. It always benefits the developers, the founders, the insiders, the venture capitalists, etc. So it is a rigged game. And I want you to understand this. I don't think anybody should invest in crypto without a thorough understanding of it. And this is probably the biggest error that people make, okay? And I personally have lost and made a lot of money, okay, with cryptocurrency. So I've looked at hundreds of projects. I've been in crypto for 3.5 years. I've been an influencer in crypto. I've done a lot, okay? And I'm telling you what nobody's going to tell you. So two, let's go into AI now. And with that being said, in 2025, we have an opportunity for a bull run. Trump is in office. The whole world, or a large portion of the world, will follow his lead, adopting digital currencies, because the fact of the matter is this technology is superior. Okay, it's pretty much inevitable that everything is going to go digital. It's all going to be tokenized on the blockchain. So if you have a house, it's going to have a digital representation, tokenization on the blockchain. Okay, everything. You'll be able to, like, if you have a personal brand, soon there's crazy stuff coming out. Soon you'll be able to create your own token like this. Okay, you'll be able to speak to AI. I'm going to get into this, and it will create software. It will create crypto. It is going to be crazy what's about to happen. And this is why I'm so passionate about these things. And I'm going to be teaching in depth these things. Okay, the practical things. I'm just giving you a understanding. You know, when I mention in videos quickly, you know, crypto, AI, online business, that's very vague. So I want to fill in some blanks here. 2025, you know, there's about $3.5 trillion roughly in crypto right now. Bitcoin went from less than a penny to $100,000 in about 15 years. It's the most appreciating asset in human history. There's a lot to it. I'm not going to get into it, but trillions of dollars are about to come into cryptocurrency. Trillions of dollars. And if you understand the stock market, the real estate market, equities, you understand fund managers, the financial markets, you understand basically the financial industry, you understand that it is the insiders who always make all the money, okay? And they make the money off of the common man, okay? When they crash markets, okay, they make a lot of money. The people that lose money is the common man, the people that don't understand. So there's a lot to this. And I do have, you know, a lot of information out there. I have a course actually where I make a lot of money live on the course. You know, I'll get all that stuff rolling again soon. You know, it's not really available right now, but I'll make it available soon. I mean, I make a lot of money on the course, like a lot, live. You can't fake that. So anyways, I'm not trying to sell you on this video. I'm just trying to explain some things to you. The next thing is artificial intelligence. In a sense, it's software. Okay, artificial intelligence, once again, if you look at the last 20, 30, 40 years, the biggest tech giants, Jeff Bezos, you know, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and on and on and on. These guys develop software, okay? They were involved in software, even if that's not what got them rich. They all understand programming, they understand coding, and there's a lot to it as well. Once again, these guys are figureheads, so, you know, they're put in position basically. But the point is, code is extremely, extremely powerful. So with artificial intelligence, even the developers themselves say that it is a black box. We don't fully understand how it works. Okay, they are autonomous, which means now they are basically able to analyze and improve themselves. Okay, and they already have the ability to do what humans cannot do. Okay, a human cannot analyze all the data known to man like this. Artificial intelligence can. Robotics are coming out now, and they're placing artificial intelligence, autonomous AI, okay, which is self-learning, self-governing, self-improving, into robots, which have now physical bodies, which it doesn't even really need physical bodies. That just takes us to the next level. This is being used in military. There's these things like wasps, okay? They're like, I want to say they're basically maybe this big or even smaller, right? Yeah, I think they're smaller. And these things, they can release them thousands at the time, like a swarm of wasps, like bees. And these things literally, they showed a demonstration where one just, it was a mannequin. This thing went and hit the head of the mannequin and exploded. And it's enough power to, boom, lights out, you're done. Okay, so you're talking about military advancements, AI, tracking, you know, obviously like heat-seeking missiles. That's kind of like old school now. The stuff they have now is insane. So imagine when you can push a button, release 100,000 wasps, and they're all programmed to never miss their target, and they can literally touch your forehead and it's lights out. Now, I'm not trying to impart fear. I'm just telling you the times we're living in. So with artificial intelligence, you have the availability of mass information at your fingertips. So now, right now, there's an opportunity because All this info wasn't available a year or 2 years ago. Now anybody can go on ChatGPT or something similar and basically get massive insight for any area: law, finances, government, money, how to make money, and you can get into AI automations. I do that. AI agents, creating agents that are basically like workers for you and employees. This is a massive opportunity. Now, it's a double-edged sword, right? So AI is a revolution. There was four revolutions, I want to say. There was the Industrial Revolution, there was the Agricultural Revolution, there was the Industrial Revolution. I always forget one of them. There was another, and then now we're in the Artificial Intelligence Revolution. It will disrupt every single industry. I'm telling you right now, it will disrupt every single industry. For example, let's take sales, okay? If you have an AI voice sales agent that sounds exactly like a human, but has been trained, okay, on sales, it will be better at any human selling, and it can sell to 100,000 people at the same time, 24/7, in every language around the world. Do you understand the power and the monopolization that is taking place? Those that understand AI and know how to use it have the opportunity of a lifetime, and those that don't are about to get left behind very, very, very soon. Okay, this is a disruptor of every single industry: cybersecurity, online business, health, you name it, education. Okay, I'm building stuff now that's just crazy that nobody's even built yet. So I'll be sharing some of that, God willing. Learn AI. Okay, start talking to ChatGPT or another large language model and just ask it a lot of questions and just sit there. I mean, I spent like 8 hours, I think, yesterday just going back and forth, questioning, taking notes and just learning fascinating things, okay? And you couldn't do this a year, 2 years ago, right? 3, online business. So with content, we are in the attention economy, and then also with AI, the gap is going to be a lot bigger, and it's going to be a lot harder to have an influence online. It's an unfair game now, because those that understand the things that I understand have a massive leverage over those that do not, okay? So there will be a monopolization. For online business, this can be so many things. It could be an influencer, okay? It can be content creation. It can be tutorials. It can be a YouTuber. It's basically getting attention online if you're going to be the face, and you don't have to be the face, and then offering a service or a product to those people. Building, like I'm doing with you right now, building value, building, people that know you, like you, and trust you. Those are people that are going to want to invest in you. So you open up a window. It's like a window, basically, is the internet. And you just share who you are. This is my perspective and what you're about. And the right people are going to be drawn to you, okay? I'm not a kind of person, I know how to sell. Trust me, I know how to sell very good. But I don't like trying to convince somebody to give me their money. I like basically putting on display who I am, what I'm about, and then attracting to me people that are interested in hiring me, working with me, etc. Okay, so anyways, online business. You can set up your own website, right? You can set up a landing page. You can collect emails, okay? You can have automated emails following up. You can have text message following up. You can integrate AI now, okay? Bots, voice callers. I'm not going to get too deep because I don't want to reveal some of the things I'm doing. But, and then you can do faceless. You can literally use AI to create content for you and basically do 80-90% of the work. And you're just posting online, and you never have to show your face because some people don't want to be on camera. So online business is massive. You can also work a remote job, okay? You can go on platforms like Upwork and others, okay? And you can find freelance work. You can be a virtual assistant. So if you have Wi-Fi access, you have opportunity. But once again, the thing is, with AI, why is somebody going to pay? So like in America, minimum wage fluctuates. In Florida, where I'm from, I'm in the Philippines right now, but in Florida, it's like $12 an hour minimum wage. Okay, so in the Philippines, I believe it's like $1.20 an hour minimum wage, roughly. So that's about a tenth, okay, of America. So what people would do is they would outsource. A lot of big companies would outsource their work to other countries where the labor is a tenth of the price. What happens when AI can do for 12 cents a better job than what a human can do for that $1.20 an hour? Unfortunately, there's going to be people that are going to be out of jobs. This is just reality. This is why I'm really trying to help people understand. Now, on the flip side, if you learn these things, and some of these things are free, you just have to put in the time, the energy, and the effort. Without money, even, you can learn some skills and you can become very valuable by learning these tools. So that is cryptocurrency, blockchain, Web3, artificial intelligence, online business. And I guess I'll wrap it up with this. I'll include in the description, some of my socials and some of information, maybe some of the softwares I use or whatever. And then I do plan on launching some products, some services, some groups, but right now I'm just really focused on my mission and my vision. Okay, there's a lot of people that are reaching out and I'm not ignoring you. I will get back to you. Okay, it's very important that I be focused right now so that I can have maximum impact, okay? But these are the last days, these are the end times. It is extremely important that you realize, and you question why you're here. Think about eternity. Think about what your purpose is, okay? Think about truth, okay? Think about God, all right? Because this will all be over very soon, and the only thing that's going to matter is your soul. So I pray, I hope and believe that you have faith in Jesus Christ, okay? Because it's not about religion. The kingdom of God will come. This age will pass away, okay? And the kingdom of God there will be a new heaven and a new earth, okay? Where righteousness rules and reigns forever, where Christ will be king over all. So whether you believe that or not, it is going to happen, okay? So all the signs that I just talked about are all scripturally in the Bible. So you can look in there and you can line up prophecy after prophecy after prophecy of everything that is happening right now. You're living in the very last hour of humankind. There is not a lot of time left, okay? And you will see things are not going to get better, period. Things are going to get worse. So I hope this video blesses you. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me, check the description if you're interested in some more, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless.